Right here I have the men's Henley button-down shirt, and this is going to be a thermal, so it's going to keep you warm, but also very breathable because it's lightweight, really nice moisture wicking on the skin. Now guys, I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. As you can see here, we have the 3 button setup on here. This is actually going to be a dark brown style on the buttons, which I really do like. It has a nice little bit of a weight to it, so I like how that rolls over and gives you that V-neck style look. It's going to be nice and tapered around the neckline. We even get a pocket over here. It's going to add a lot of style. We get a cool moose here. A little bit of accent with the brown on the black. Looks very classic, timeless. And if you guys notice on the sleeves here, we're going to get a ribbed look on the sleeves. So that cuff is not going to go down below your wrist. It's not going to hang over. And as you can see what I'm doing right here, you could pull it up to your forearms really easily. It's going to give you a nice option of a look. This has a 95% polyester and a 5% spandex, giving it a nice 4-way stretch. I buttoned all of these up and the neckline just fits so good. It's nice and premium, guys. I do think if I wanted maybe a little bit more room or that oversized look, I could get the large, but I think this medium fits really good because I'm intending to put a jacket over this or even a vest. I think that the thermal style long sleeve shirts with a vest looks so good. I think this shirt comes to a perfect length as well. So if you want to wear this with jeans, cargo shorts, cargo pants, you can style this up in so many different ways. It's just a very versatile shirt, especially with that 3 button down. You kind of can dress up or down with it, and that pocket gives it a really, really nice style. This is an awesome shirt. Very, very comfortable. The mobility on this is honestly next to none. The way that this fabric feels on my skin, it's very comfortable. I could wear this all day, date night, out on the town, to work, an event. If you're gonna wear this with a vest, go to a party, everything's gonna be able to look good, and you got a lot of options. And they have a ton of other colors right now, which are really awesome and perfect for the fall. They have like a red brown, they got tans, they got dark greens. So if you wanna pair this up with any kind of vest for the fall, this is definitely the time to do it because all of the colors are really unique and look so good. I highly recommend this men's Henley 3 button down shirt. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.